Ang ulo ng isda na snapper. Ayan. Yummy na. Nasinday yan prepare. Ako magluluto. Ayan. Ulo ng snapper. Mamayang ulo. Dulog-dulog ito.
She's beautiful. She's not all there.
The company's collapsing and we're going to go to work. If we don't have enough problems.
Anyone with time to gossip can go explain it to HR while filing their resignation.
Sarap ang laman. Oh. Yung mata guys, masarap kainin yan. Ano yun?
Ignore them. No. Mr. Shaw, Vanessa Crane responded. She's willing to discuss financing, but only if you meet her in person. Crane.
Guys, good morning. Ngayon guys, magluluto tayo ng tinola. Tinulang isda. Tatry ko guys, first time ko mag-try dito. Ulo lang ng isda. Oh ma. Nasinday yan prepare. Ako magluluto. Ayan. Ulo ng snapper. Ito na guys, nag-ano na ako ng luya. Ayan. Gisa. Lagyan natin yung mga pangalang muna. Haluin nyo yan guys. So, yan, para masangkot sa ba. Tatlong ulo lang yan eh. Lalagyan na natin ito guys. Diba? Lalagyan. Tinola lalagyan ko na ito ng paminta. Kasi tinola no. Tapos may paminta na yan. Haluin natin konti. Mga guys, lumapot-lapot na Guys, malapit-lapit na. Lagyan natin gulay mamaya. Kukuluin pa natin guys. Ayan na guys, kumukulo na. Ayan guys, palalagyan na natin ng pizza. Ang daming pizza yun. Ilalabog natin yun guys. Patjoy. Ano ito nga? Batchoy? Patjoy. Lulutuin lang natin yung gulay. Yeah, dami na. Sarap na. Hindi na makita yung isda. Nahupa pa yan. Tinolang tinolang ulo ng snapper. Ayan, ready na guys. Lutuin lang natin yung pizza Yan, let's go! Tinola ni Kaloy. Excited na akong kumain guys. Try nyo yan guys na tinola ng isda. Yan. Dati lagi ako kung sinigang lang o kaya yung may tanglad ito. Kakaiba naman. Tinola. Ang sarap. Kain na tayo. May bahaw ako dito. Lalagyan na natin ng sabaw sa ulo ng isda. Ayan. Naantay ko guys, maluto na lang yung pitsay. May bahaw dito. Ayan, ito na. Titirahin na natin. Ito, tinula ko. Kain tayo guys. Ang sarap. First time ko ito magluto.
Husbands.
What?
Want husbands.
Ito yung ulo guys. Oh.
No new one. Want that one.
Ethan, I'm not sure that's appropriate. And toast.
Husband is sick.
The office calls. Several vendors are waiting in the conference room. They want every overdue invoice paid today. I know.
Paborito kasi ulo guys.
Husband goes to the gardener.
I'm going
Kain ka,
to
ma.
do business.
Ang sarap mo.
The office is in the playground.
And he won't pay.
Bulang ko sa'yo.
Stay here. Walter will take
Sarap lang.
Husband
Ano naman mo?
Dali lang. At mo.
it. Maybe you should take it.
Mainit.
She might be more anxious.
Ano kanin?
Fine. But you promised me 3 things. 1, no wandering off. 2, no hitting anyone. 3, no eating anything strangers give you.
No running. No hitting.
Bakit?
No eating.
I said
Yun
no
ang
eating
mainit,
anything
ah.
strangers.
Hindi.
Only husbands.
Mainit.
Mamayang ulo, durog-durog to.
This woman who made the wedding, she's beautiful. Shame she's not all there.
The company's collapsing and nobody's going to work. Like, we don't have enough problems.
Anyone with time to gossip can go explain it to HR while filing their resignation.
Sarap ma, ang laman. Oh. Yung mata guys, masarap kainin yan. Ano yun?
Ignore them. No. Mr. Shaw, Vanessa Crane responded. She's willing to discuss financing, but only if you meet her in person. Crane private.
Ano kung nakasubo ko lang, parang ayaw na kumakain ah.
These obligations.
Ngayon mo sariling plato.
Car brought around.
Ano?
Vanessa Crane, let's see who can save in profit from my husband's collapse.
$5 lang yung isang kilo nito.
Mr. Shaw, Miss Crane is waiting.
All right. Evie, I need to discuss a contract.
Tawag mo si Sarah kung gusto kumain.
Not long.
Maybe waits for husband.
Ano?
Good girl.
Ano, kakasal. Ang agaw na.
Vanessa Crane.
Ano lang?
Better to face
Konti lang. Kasi busog ako eh.
This is the restructuring proposal Shaw Development submitted.
Oh, sarap, sarap.
Consider.
Still don't get it, do you? Chloe walked out. The banks are accelerating. Vendors are cutting you off. Shaw has maybe 2 days of cash left. You want Crane to save you?
Dapat pa rin, oh, bukas lang.
Hmm?
A pledge of 51
Pag may ulo pa bukas.
voting shares.
Given the risk, that's generous.
I personally guarantee the entire
Meron doon maano,
$100 main facility.
yung grouper, kaya lang pangit ng kulay. Ba't gray?
There's no one left but you.
Di ba may kulay gray naman?
Public statement.
Hindi maganda.
Baka ano na.
Crane will hold a press conference. You'll thank us for rescuing Shaw Development.
Bahaw lang to guys.
The project will be supervised by our appointees.
Is this financing?
Kain muna ako guys. Babay na muna.
Shaw Development.
Don't forget to watch and subscribe.
I'm not signing.
Yan na, mga agaw na to eh.
Tomorrow.